What you got, Tymer? Hey. Oh. Oh, hey. Hey. Get him, Khalil. Oh, he gonna slow it down on y'all. Ooh, walk it out. Hey. Okay. Hey. Oh. Hey. All right. What you got? What you got, Tyshawn? Pen, whatever that is. Okay, here we go. Hey. Ooh, check him out. The boy's vicious. Y'all ain't got no old school dances though. All y'all got is a new school jump. All y'all got is a new school. Y'all ain't got no old school dance. Y'all gotta make up something. Just make up something crazy, funny. Not that though. Oh wow. Give me the Uncle Mo. Give me the Uncle Mo. The old uncle at the cookout. How your uncle at the cookout be dancing? You know how you got the uncle that always dance all crazy at the cookout. Oh. I know you got the uncle at the cookout that always do a crazy dance. I can dig it. He always roll the dice, you know what I mean? You got the uncle that always roll the dice. Everybody got the crazy uncle that roll the dice. Ooh. Alright, do your mom's dance at the cookout. You know, she always got to shake it. Hey, oh. Hey, that's how she, yeah. That was funny.